Ida guy from London. We're going to Santa Claus Village. They say we can experience the magic of Christmas every day of the year. This is in Rovaniemi, Finland, the official hometown of Santa Claus. As we go along, I will tell you how much are the expenses, since the question is it too commercialized or not. This is the Santa Claus Holiday Village, which where our accommodation is located.
There's still tourist buses from here. It's snowing. My hands is numb now, so
This is our accommodation, and we're getting out to see Santa Claus. Hopefully there's no queue because it's school holiday. There's a minimum of 2 nights stay. The accommodation total cost is 1,900 euros or 130,000 pesos. That includes breakfast and to use some of the facilities in the area.
so all the packages. 4 o'clock here in Rovaniemi, Finland. Christmas tree here, our cottage.
We're now in Christmas house to meet Santa Claus. Very excited.
The Christmas trees are there. So we are here inside. So we've got the Christmas trees. And we're going out. So at the back is with Santa.
The excitement of meeting Santa Claus is unexplainable. Since childhood, I'm dreaming to meet Santa Claus from the North Pole. The cost of meeting Santa that we pay is 100 euros or 6,500 pesos.
Wow.
It's now time to meet Santa Claus. Meeting with Santa was fast, but it's a magical experience. Santa himself is what you'd imagine to be. If you are in a Santa Claus Village, you must visit Santa. Is it worth it? Yes, because we're staying in Santa Claus Village and there's no much queue.